Hello everybody, how are you? I hope that you are all fit and fine. I am also fine. Thank you. You can see natural place. It is a natural place and it is a beautiful place. There are many people come here in this beautiful place. I also come here in this beautiful place because it is a beautiful and tourist place. There are many people come here. There are many tourists in this visit in this beautiful place. I also come here in this beautiful place. At present, I am standing by Pabna Jilla. It is a village. The name of this village is Bilchanduk village. It is a beautiful village. You can see there are many people standing on this food. They are coming in this visit in this area. I also come here visit in this area. It is a natural and tourist place. You know, there are many people come here all time. There are many people come here visit anytime in this village. It is a beautiful place. English just practice. If you try, I hope that you are will be able to speak in English. You will be able to learn English. English just practice. If you want to be a good speaker, if you want to be a good learner, I advise you you practice. When you practice every day, if you can practice every day, I hope that will be able to speak English. If you want to be a good speaker, if you want to be a good learner, if you want to be a good English teacher, just practice. Practice makes man perfect. If you practice regular, you will be win. If you practice with your family, if you practice with your friends and with your mother teacher and foreign people, just practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Dear video viewers, if you want to English, if you want to be a good speaker, I advise you you can travel. If you can travel anywhere, any place, I hope that you can easily speak in English. If you can travel anywhere, any place, you can enjoy any place, any food style and food culture. Just travel. If you travel various places, I hope that you will be able to speak in English. You will be able to learn English. Just travel. Change is not always easy. It is not always simple, but it is very difficult. It is not easy. It is very difficult, but it is easy when you get it. When you practice, you will win. When you practice regular, I hope that you will be able to speak English. Just practice is not different, but it is easy. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.